Hi, I'm Andrea Marcovicci. I'm an actress, a singer, and I was a dancer. But at 72, I found that my get up and go had got up and went. I was out of shape, I was overweight, and very depressed about it. I tried everything. I did all the diets, but nothing was working this time. No matter what I did, nothing was working. And that's where Sean Derby comes in. He's a miracle worker, is what I would say, a miracle worker. After 9 months of working with Sean, I lost 30 pounds. I gained mobility, strength, confidence, and most importantly, energy. Oh, and I forgot. Look at that. At 72,